Hi, welcome today in our Slimbox demo room. Today we got a challenge from a customer who told us, look, I've got to send out these windows with real glass. They're heavy, they weigh more than 6 kilograms, and they're fragile because it's real glass. And we got some issues with it, so could you find something for us? And then I tend to say, yeah, of course we can do this for you, but it depends of course also on the investment in time and packaging you want to make. So I think there are 3 different ways to do this. First one is just make an envelope around it, because it's like it's coated, so you don't want them to have some scratches, and in this way, with just an envelope, corrugated envelope, you can give it with your technician, somebody you trust with it, that will take care of your parcel. I use it this way. A second way is a bit more protective. I would use a box with 2 air chambers in it, so it is really fit really good in the box, and it is protected at the most heavy points of this package. And a third one I'd like to do, if you really want to ship it with, for instance, a commercial partner, transporting partner like PostNL, GLS, whatever, you really need to protect it. So I would create this packaging in a third case with a double layered corrugated, and I would add also some protection corners. I talk a lot, but maybe it's better just to show you what I mean. And here you see behind me our working station with the frame on it. I already printed this first one, a simple envelope, on demand. You can make these envelopes also with a mushroom, but I prefer not to do this. And then you see I made these things. These flaps are just simply the caps, the closing caps. You can choose the length you wanted, and I made him really long. I think I made him even 40 or 50 centimeters, just to add another protection layer to this box, and that helps a lot to to make a better packaging. So okay, now we got this. Voila, I'm going to put it over, and then the only thing you have to do is apply some tape to the sides, and that's it. I hope you can see this. What I really like, and that is really good for a box, is to apply here some glue like this, and that gives the box a lot more stability inside. I'm not going to do this right now because I just want to simply show these other ways of packaging also. So okay, that's the first way I'd like to do this. Second one, I said something about air chambers, and I created it already in our system. It's a standard box just like this. So this is the way it comes out of the machine, and what we got here is these chambers I can make. We used to glue them up a professional glue gun, and this is such a great solution, because with the glue we use, it dries up almost at instant. It is specially designed glue to be very quick on corrugated. So you see, I didn't have to wait on it. Then I can put my frame into it. It is on demand, right sized, and you close it up like this. So that's the second way. You can tape it in the middle, but I'm a fan of applying some glue on these sides, because with our glue gun it's so easy, so fast, and you add another layer of stability in your box. So that's the second one. I think this is a very good protection already. Here I used a simple EE-flute corrugated that has a craft top liner. So the craft top liner is very good because it's protective against moisture, against rain. So that's something. It has virgin fibers in it, so that means it is a strong, sturdy box, sturdy corrugated. And the EE-flute gives some padding. But then I told you about the third option, and in fact I'm going to use the same kind of box here, but I made it out of a double layer corrugated. This is a double E corrugated. It's difficult to show you on screen, with also a craft outliner. But the fact you've got two layers gives it more padding, but also more force. It is very difficult to tear up. So this double E is nice. Also, if you send it to a customer, the double E gives nice folding lines, so it adds some image also to your customer. You can also order this corrugated with your own print on it, so that gives you another way of adding something from your image. This time I gave it some more room because I want to add these corner protectors. They are also a standard box in our system, in our software, and so you can print them. You can also choose length if you want it 5 centimeters or 10 centimeters, and the height you can all adapt this. And the inside, and I'll show, I hope I can show this right here, you got these little flaps, and that's the way they lock into the box. So it is easier. Sometimes you lose them, you know, they tend to fall off or whatever when you're packing it. No, this is a way of locking it, so these corner protectors are very good in the box. You see, the dimensions are just perfect, and I can close up this box, apply some tape or glue on it, and then you've got a perfect packaging for this fragile frame. Voila, that's all I want to say. So if you got a packaging issue yourself, just mail us and I'll try to make something on demand with our Slimbox, so I can prove to you that we can pack just everything, anytime, in any quantity. See you next time.